bang gagawin natin dito? Ipagpuproceed kayo without any hearing niya?
Are you trying to steal the show?
No.
Why are you so
Then we should not
protective of
judge.
the Vizcayas? Why are you so protective?
I will register my continuing objection, Mr. Chair. I will question the objectivity of this proceedings if you will not allow me raise this point. Mr. Chair, you were interviewed on Billionario Channel by Miss Pinky Webb. Basahin ko po, sabi niya, Senator Ping, para sa inyo, sino ba ang sabihin natin worth it or dapat na ikonsidera na state witness na ipasok man lang dito sa Witness Protection Program? And you responded, at this point between Vizcaya and Bryce Hernandez. Mr. Chair, question is, does the chairman has the prerogative or the right to make judgment?
No, that's my perspective, no? That's my personal opinion outside of the hearing or outside of this hall. So don't question my opinion.
I
That
am
is
not
my
questioning
opinion.
your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the
Let's not
chairman
quarrel
of this
here.
committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not
testimony of the
interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo eh.
You're
An
questioning my
investigator,
opinion.
we are investigating.
Away kagad tayo rito.
Mr. Chair, we are still
Hearing is suspended.
investigating.